Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Balan. So today guys, I am going to showing you what is happening right here at Oyingbo. Today I'm in Oyingbo. The last time I was here, it was only demolition that was taking place, but right now I am on Murtala Mohammed Way leading to Oyingbo, where construction have started for the Oyingbo Overpass. I'll be showing you the level of work ongoing right from post office bus stop onto Oyingbo on Murtala Mohammed Way, so you can see the level of work being done for yourself, the level of work that is being done at the moment for yourself. So guys, I'll be taking you along and see the construction for the Oyingbo red line overpass that is currently happening right here on Murtala Mohammed Way. So guys, follow me and let me show you the level of work here. The construction of the Oyingbo Overpass stretches from post office bus stop just before the turning into Abeokuta Street on Murtala Mohammed Way to link Apapa Road. The Oyingbo Overpass is part of the ancillary infrastructure being constructed to facilitate smooth operations of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit, the Red Line project, which is at a level crossing point along the rail corridor. This overpass is one of the overpasses being constructed simultaneously by the Lagos State Government along the rail corridor to eliminate interactions between the rail system, road and pedestrian traffic. The Lagos Rail Mass Transit, the Red Line project, is part of the solution of solving the transportation and traffic challenges within the